Now, I give everyone the same design element. I want to see how you come up with a composition. Okay, so I'm going to show you a quick one. Because my style, right, I love to have solid graphics. This concept, I love to come up with something that is clean.